We use the word all the time. Have faith, keep the faith. But what is it really? Is it just blind optimism, or is it something more substantial? Faith is often defined as the assurance of things hoped for and the conviction of things not seen. In simpler terms, it's the bridge you can't fully see, but you're willing to walk on anyway. There is a big difference between belief and faith. Belief is intellectual. It is knowing a chair is strong enough to hold you. Faith is the moment you actually sit down and let that chair take your full weight. It isn't just a thought, it's a commitment that leads to action. Think of faith like a seed. You bury it in the dark. Under the dirt, you can't see it growing, but you water it because you have a conviction that a harvest is coming. You don't need a 100% guarantee to move forward. If you had total proof, you wouldn't need faith. Most of us want a map of the entire journey before we start, but faith is the strength to take the first step even when you can't see the whole staircase. It's the decision to trust what is true, even when your circumstances feel uncertain. It doesn't take a mountain of it to change your life. Sometimes even a tiny amount of trust is enough to start moving the obstacles in your way. Don't wait for the fog to clear. Take the step. Faith sees the invisible, believes the unbelievable, and receives the impossible. Corrie ten Boom.